Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've got the essentials ready. Now connect and begin. First, sign in and allow the app to track in background so data stays continuous. Once done, create a project with a clear name, start date, tags, and set the default cadence so entries align automatically. Make sure to grant storage and notification permissions. Without them, you'll miss scheduled prompts and synced logs. These steps start the live stream of data into Track Taco and prepare you for importing or manual entry next. Once data flows in, focus on mapping and automation so you don't micromanage. Import CSVs or link external services, then map columns to Track Taco fields. This prevents mismatched entries. Next, create tags and smart filters that auto-classify items based on rules like keywords or value ranges. Configure reminders and thresholds to trigger alerts or actions, and enable automated exports if you need data elsewhere. These middle steps save time long-term and make your tracking consistent and actionable. Finish by validating results and exporting what matters. Review dashboards and cross-check totals. Apply ad hoc filters to confirm accuracy and adjust rules if you spot misclassifications. Export your report as CSV or PDF, or schedule recurring exports to downstream tools so others have current data. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm app permissions, check network connectivity, then rerun imports while inspecting logs. If errors persist, reset the problematic mapping and reprocess only the affected rows to avoid duplication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.